the Homeschooling Grammy, and today we are going to continue on with our curriculum choices for the 2019-2020 homeschool year. So if you are familiar with my channel and you have been here before, you will have noticed that last week we shared our curriculum choices for history, geography, and social studies. This week we are going to be showing you what we are going to be using for math. So this is a collaboration that I am co-hosting along with Ingrid over at Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, and I will leave a link to her channel down in my description box. But we also have brought in 2 bloggers this time, and this is super exciting. You really need to check out Lisa over at MamaWit Haven and check out Stacy from Dyertyme. They have awesome blogs. Just wonderful information that you can read on, and you can also see what they're going to be using for their math curriculum this coming school year. So I will make sure that I'm going to leave links to all 3 of these ladies, either channel or blogs, and I'm also going to leave a link to the playlist so that if you have missed what we have done so far, you will be able to go ahead, click on the link, and you will see not only what we are using, myself and my co-hosts, but also other YouTubers that have joined in to share with us what they're going to be using in the upcoming school year. So now this collaboration is going to continue for 2 more weeks after this. We are also going to do Science and Bible on June the 28th, and we are going to do Electives and Enrichment on July the 5th. So make sure that you hit that notification bell and hit that subscription button to make sure that you don't miss out on any of this super fun curriculum stuff that we're going to be sharing with you. So I'm excited to get started. I'm going to show you what we are using that is the same, but also what we are changing up this year. Okay, so let me just share with you first off what we're going to continue using. We're moving on to the next level, but we are still going to continue with Math UC. We are moving on to Beta. So if you were to buy it all in one, you would get all of these things together in a package. You can get all of these things together in a package, but I like to try to save money whenever I can. So I actually was able to purchase the instruction manual and the DVD on a used curriculum site, and I got it considerably cheaper. And as you will notice, it's hardcover. It's in really good shape. It's like brand new. It's like it wasn't even touched. Awesome. And then I was also able to get the DVD used. Got them together as a package deal. Look at this. Never even was opened. I'm so excited. So you can't beat it. If you're able to get stuff secondhand, I highly recommend it. I really try to when I can. Obviously with the student workbook and whatnot, you can't do that. Not usually anyways, and I wasn't able to, so I had to go onto the Math UC site and actually buy the student workbook and the test packet. Now, we have not ever used the test packet. I probably still won't use it again, and what'll happen at the end of the next school year is I will put this test packet in with these other 2 pieces that I got, and I will resell them myself or gift them or something. Anyways, we have absolutely loved Math UC. It has worked tremendously well for our grandchild. It's a very hands-on approach, and she works really well doing math that way. So we are really excited to keep going with Math UC. If you would like more thorough flip through, let me know, and I will be happy to do that for you. So the other thing that we are adding, and I mentioned this in a video just recently because I did an unboxing of this particular thing I'm about to show you, and I will leave a link in my iCards if I remember to do so. I felt like we didn't cover enough in time and money in Math UC last year, so I was on the lookout for a supplement, and I wanted it to be meatier than what you get at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store or anything like that, because you know they're usually just like these little thin workbooks. And I found a prize and a gem. It is the complete book of time and money. So we are really excited We're going to start using this, and I'm actually going to be doing a flip through. Why can't I say that today? A flip through of this particular supplement curriculum because I've had a couple of people already ask me since watching my unboxing. So I'm definitely going to be showing you a more in-depth look of this. And I'm super excited to get started in this book. It's really colorful. I'll just kind of do like one of these numbers, and it looks super fun. And it's like and it's meaty. It's very meaty, and it's for K through 3rd grade. So it may end up lasting us a couple of years. So those are 2 of the 3 things that we are going to be using. The 3rd thing I can't actually show you, but I was extremely blessed to win a 1-year subscription to Teaching Textbooks 3.0. So I'm still trying to decide when it is we are going to start our subscription because we tend to school year round. We've taken a few week break right now just to kind of, I don't know, revamp whatever. And we had been on vacation and that kind of thing. And, you know, there'll be a bunch of videos about that too. I did all kinds of traipsing around the countryside the last few weeks. So I will make sure when we start teaching textbooks to give you a review of what I thought of that. And like I said, I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to start it. I need to go ahead and email them and let them know when I want to start that curriculum. But when I was looking at some of the stuff that is covered, a lot of the stuff Hope already knows how to do, which is perfect because if we start really simple in the beginning and she can review, I'm all up for that. So we are super excited to start teaching textbooks. I am hoping it is an awesome fit. I love Matthew C., hence why we're going to stick with it at the same time. But I'm excited to see where she can be self-directed in learning without me always having to be right there over her shoulder. Even though the DVD does an absolutely wonderful job of teaching each of the lessons in Matthew C., I still have to take the time to watch them with her so that when if she does have a question about how a lesson is to be done, I can go ahead and help her with that. But there you have it. We're going to be using Matthew C. Beta. We're going to be using the complete book of Time and Money, and we are going to be using Teaching Textbooks 3.0, most likely absolutely the 3rd grade level, level 3. I guess okay, that's there you have it. Thanks everybody so much for tuning in to see what we're going to be using for math for the 2019-2020 school year. Make sure that you check out all the links below of all of my co-hosts, and make sure that you check out the link to the playlist because there's going to be a bunch of other homeschool mamas sharing what they're going to be using for math and history and social studies and geography and language arts and all that other fun stuff that is coming up and has been filmed. God bless and take care, and I will talk to you again soon.